I'm Bad Santa, but my deals are good. Reindeers are out, hogs are in. MY19 run out at Rocky-Harley Davidson, why wouldn't I? Like this good deal. 2019 Road Glide Special, 114, latest boombox, cruise control, finished in Billiard blue. Out the door, 34,000 Ls. All this, Iron 883, stripped down, blacked out, in Rawhide Denim. Out the door, 14,750 Ls. How about this? Bad Santa's Slitter Choice. FXDR 114 with a custom La Jolla paint set. Street Slammer bars, Maximus tune, heavy breather, 2-1 sweep outs by Freedom, and this thick rear end. Just how Santa likes his bikes. 35,000 Ls, out the door. How about this? Heritage Classic 114. LED headlights, cruise control, and plenty of room for the toys. Get the classic Harley Davidson at only 28,900 Ls, out the door. Guess what? If you've been nice this year, or naughty, Bad Santa doesn't mind, you'll get an extension of your warranty to 5 years, a free first service, and you'll become a part of our Rocky-Harley Davidson VIP club. So for a great deal, come and see Rocky-Harley Davidson and tell them Bad Santa sent you. Well, I'm out of here. I'm going to stuff some stockings.